Hello everyone. In this video, I discuss examples on formation of partial differential equations. Example number 1. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from the equation z is equal to x plus a into bracket y plus b. By working procedure of the formation of partial differential equations, if the number of arbitrary constants is equal to the number of independent variables, the partial differential equation we obtain will be of first order. So in this, a and b are not fixed, but they are arbitrary constants, because opening the bracket you will get x into b, that means b is not free from the variable, and a into y, that means a is not free from the variable. So a and b are arbitrary constants, and z is a function of x and y. A and b are arbitrary constants. The number of arbitrary constants is equal to the number of independent variables x and y. Therefore, we calculate the first order partial derivatives and eliminate the arbitrary constants. Calculating the partial derivatives and eliminating the arbitrary constants, we get the partial differential equation. So from first equation, differentiating partially with respect to x, we have dou z by dou x is equal to y plus b. So the partial differentiation of this with respect to x is 1, so into y plus b, that is second equation. Similarly, differentiating 1 partially with respect to y, we have dou z by dou y is equal to x plus a. So partial difference of this with respect to y is 1, so into x plus a. So to eliminate the arbitrary constants, what we do, we substitute y plus b and x plus a in the given equation, so that we have z is equal to x plus a is dou z by dou y, y plus b is dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou y into dou z by dou x, which is q into p or p into q. Therefore z is equal to p into q, which is a first order partial differential equation. That means 4 is the partial differential equation of 1, and 1 is the solution of 4. 4 is the partial differential of 1, and 1 is the solution of 4. Okay. Example number 2. Form the partial differential equation from the equation 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. In this also, the number of arbitrary constants is 2, that is a square and b square. So 1 by a square and 1 by b square. So 1 by a square is attached to x square, 1 by b square is attached to y square. So a and b are not fixed, they are arbitrary constants. So number of arbitrary constants is 2 and the number of independent variables is 2. Since the number of arbitrary constants is 2 and the number of independent variables is 2, the partial differential equation we obtain or we get will be of first order. So we calculate only dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So from this equation we calculate dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So differentiating this partially with respect to x, we have this 2 into dou z by dou x is equal to 2x by a square plus 0. Partial difference of this is 0. That is 2 into p. So both sides we have 2 to get cancelled. So p is equal to x by a square, or a square is equal to x by p. This is second equation. Similarly, differentiating 1 partially with respect to y, we have 2 dou z by dou y is equal to, so since z is a function of x and y, z can also be differentiated partially with respect to y. So partial difference of this with respect to y is 0, plus partial difference of this with respect to y is 2y by b square. Both sides we have 2 to get cancelled. So dou z by dou y is denoted by q is equal to y by b square, or b square is equal to from this equation b square is equal to y by q. So substituting for a square b square in this equation, substituting for a square b square in the equation, we have 2z is equal to x square divided by a square, that is a square is x by b, x by p, and b square is y by q. So x square by a square plus y square by b square. Simplifying, we have 2z is equal to px plus qy. This is the partial differential equation. So 2z is equal to px plus qy is the solution of 2z is equal to is the partial differential equation. 2z equal to px plus qy is the partial differential equation of 1, and 1 is the solution of 2z equal to px plus qy. This is the first order partial differential equation. Next, number 3, form the partial differential equation from the equation ax square plus by square plus z square equal to 1. In this also, the arbitrary constants are a and b. The number of arbitrary constants is 2, and the number of independent variables is 2. That is, in this we take z as function of x and y. Taking z as function of x and y, we have z square equal to, transfer all these to the right hand side, we have z square equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square, so that z is a function of x and y. So since a and b are arbitrary constants that are equal to the number of independent variables, we calculate dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So differentiate this equation with respect to x and with respect to y. We have differentiating partially with respect to x, we have 2z partial z square with respect to x is 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to, this is 0 and this is minus 2x minus 0. Partial differential of this with respect to x is 0. So both sides we have 2 to get cancelled. So zp is equal to minus ax, or a is equal to minus zp divided by x. This is the second equation. Similarly, partially with respect to y, rate of change with respect to y. So take this and differentiate partially with respect to y. So 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to, this is 0 and this is 0 minus 2by. From this equation 2 get cancelled, so b is equal to minus zq divided by y. So substitute a and b in this equation, and simplifying, we have z square equal to 1 minus of a, substituting a value, zp by x, minus become plus, x square plus minus become plus, because b is minus zq by y, and x get cancelled, y get cancelled. 1 to the left hand side, z square minus 1 is equal to z into bracket px plus qy. So equation 4. So this is the required partial differential equation. So 4 is the solution of 2, and 2 is the solution of 4. 4 is the differential equation of 2, and 2 is the solution of 4. Okay, and next is form the partial differential equation from the equation z equal to a into log of x square plus y square plus b. In this, a is arbitrary and b is fixed, so we calculate the first order partial differential equation. So differentiating one partially with respect to x, we have dou z by dou x is equal to, that is p, dou z by dou x is denoted by p, that is equal to a into log of this with respect to x is a by x square plus y square into x square plus y square differentiation is 2x, or p is equal to 2ax divided by x square plus y square. And differentiating this partially with respect to y, we have dou z by dou y is equal to q, that is a by partial differentiation this with respect to y. So a by x square plus y square into x square plus y square differentiation with respect to y is 2y, or so from this equation q is equal to 2ay divided by x square plus y square. This is third equation. So second, and p is second, q is 3. So to eliminate the arbitrary constants, p divided by q is equal to, so p is this, q is this, so x divided by y, or by cross multiplication py minus qx equal to 0, which is the first order differential equation. So this is number 4. So 4 is the differential equation of differential equation of 1, differential equation of 1, and 1 is the solution of 4. 1 is the solution of this. Next, number 5, form the differential equation of the family of all spheres whose centers lie on the plane z equal to 0 and have constant radius r. And have constant radius r. And equation to the problem: family of all spheres whose center lie on the plane z equal to 0. Plane z equal to 0 means it is xy plane. What is 0 on xy plane is z is 0. That means center lie on xy plane and have constant radius r. So equation to the sphere, family of sphere, is written in this form: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus z coordinate is 0 on xy plane. What is 0 on xy plane is z coordinate is 0. So z minus 0 whole square equal to r square. And in this we have x, y and z, 3 variables, and we take z as function of x and y. And the arbitrary constants are a and b. R is not arbitrary. R is fixed. R is constant. R is fixed constant. Okay. R is not attached to any variables. So R is fixed constant. In this, the number of arbitrary constants is only 2, not 3, and the number of independent variables is 2, that is x and y. Z is depending on x and y, since we are taking z as function of x and y. And since the number of arbitrary constants is 2 and the number of independent variables is 2, the partial differential equation we obtain will be of first order. So this is equation 1. So differentiating this one with partially with respect to x, we have this. So x minus a whole square partial differentiation with respect to x is 2 power differentiation, that is x minus a into inner differentiation is 1, plus partial differentiation of this with respect to x is 0, plus z square differentiation with respect to x 2z and to dou z by dou x. Since z is a function of x, z can be differentiated partially with respect to x, z can also be differentiated partially with respect to y, is equal to 0. R square differentiation is 0. Okay, so 2 is common, 2 goes off, x minus a plus zp is equal to 0, so that x minus a is equal to minus zp. This is second equation. Similarly, partially with respect to y, rate of change of 1 partially with respect to y, partial difference of this with respect to y is 0, plus partial difference of this is 2 into y minus b plus 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Okay, since z is a function of x and y, z can be differentiated partially with respect to x, z can also be differentiated partially with respect to y, which is equal to 0. So 2 is common, 2 goes off, so what remains is y minus b plus zq is equal to 0. So from this, y minus b is equal to minus zq, that is equation 3. So what we do in the equation, we simply substitute x minus a and y minus b in the equation. We simply substitute x minus a and y minus b in this equation. Okay, substituting for x minus a and y minus b and simplifying, we have x minus a is z minus b and y minus b is this, that is whole square plus z square equal to r square. Okay, so simplifying, we have z square. What is common in this is z square is common, so in the bracket, so square of any number is positive, right? So minus square is plus, so p square plus q square plus 1 taking common is equal to r square, which is the partial differential equation of all spheres whose center lie on the plane z equal to 0 and constant radius r. So 1 is the solution of 4 and 4 is the partial differential equation 1. Next, number 6 is that form the partial differential equation from pi of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So in this we write pi of u comma v is equal to 0, with u is equal to xy plus z square, v is equal to x plus y plus z, so that pi of u comma v is the solution of the partial differential equation, standard partial differential equation this is. So P plus Q is equal to R. Capital P is a function of x and y. Capital Q is function of x and y. R is a function of x and y. Small p is dou z by dou x. Small q is dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou x multiplied by p plus dou z by dou y multiplied by q is equal to R is some standard differential equation, partial differential equation, and that is called linear partial differential equation. Okay, and this has solution pi of uv is equal to 0. So we set u is equal to xy plus z square and v is equal to x plus y plus z, and where p is this, q is this, r is this, they are calculated by the Jacobians. Okay, so dou of uv with respect to x comma y, these are called Jacobians. So from previous mathematics, from first semester mathematics or from elementary mathematics, p can be calculated by this determinant. Okay, and substituting dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, all the partial derivatives in this, we have y minus x, q by this determinant uv with respect to yz, uv with respect to x and y, uv with respect to yz, uv with respect to zx. Writing for the partial derivatives in this and substituting p, q, r in this, we have y minus x p plus x minus 2z q is equal to 2z minus y is the partial differential equation, is the partial differential equation of 1. 1 is the solution of 4, 1 is the solution of 2, in this it is denoted by 2. 1 is the solution of 2 and 2 is the partial differential equation of 1. And you can also change p, q, r by writing p is equal to, instead of u comma v with respect to x and y, you can write y comma z. You can calculate the Jacobian of uv with respect to yz. So p by this Jacobian, q by this Jacobian, r by this Jacobian, so that we have x minus 2z into p minus q into y minus 2z equal to y minus x, either this or this. Okay, this is also a partial differential equation of 1, right, and 1 is the solution of this 2, and this is also a partial differential equation of 1, and 1 is the solution of this, that is equation number 3. This is 2. 2 is same as 3. 2 and 3 are same. 2 is differential equation of 1 and 1 is the solution of 2, and 3 is the solution of 1 and 1 is the solution of 3. And number 7, form the partial differential equation from z equal to x1 from the equation x into f1 of x plus t, f2 of x plus t. In this, we have two arbitrary functions. In this, we have arbitrary functions, not arbitrary constants. So f1 and f2 are arbitrary functions. Okay, so by working procedure or by the method of partial differential equations, by the method of formation of partial differential equations, if we are to calculate or if we are to form the partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary functions, what we do, we count the number of arbitrary functions. If the number of arbitrary functions is 1, then we have first order partial differential equation. If we have 2 arbitrary functions, then we will have second order partial differential equation. Since in this we have 2 arbitrary functions, f1 and f2, we get the second order partial differential equation. So we calculate all the partial derivatives, first order and second order partial derivatives. So dou z by dou x, take z and differentiate partially with respect to x. This is by product rule, x into f1 dash plus f1 into x is this plus f2 dash. Next, dou z by dou t with respect to t. In this, x and t are independent. X and t are independent, z is depending. So dou z by dou x, dou z by dou t, then dou square z by dou x square. Take this and differentiate partially with respect to x. X into, by product rule, x into f1 double dash plus f1 dash into x differentiation is 1 plus plus f1 differentiation is f1 dash plus f2 dash differentiation is f2 double dash, or x into f1 double dash. This plus this is 2 f1 dash plus f2 dash. This is second equation. Next we calculate dou square z by dou x dou t. Take dou z by dou t and differentiate partially with respect to x. So dou by dou x. What is dou z by dou t? Dou z by dou t is this. Differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. We have x f1 double dash plus f1 dash plus f2 double dash. This is by product rule. Okay. Dou z by dou t is this. First term by product rule. Okay. And f2 dash differentiation is f2 double dash. Okay. X f1 dash by product rule is x f1 double dash plus f1 dash. Next and last partial derivative is dou square z by dou t square is equal to, take dou z by dou t and differentiate partially with respect to t. One more time differentiation of dou z by dou t with respect to t is this. Okay. So x f1 double dash plus f2 double dash. So x is constant because we are differentiating this partially with respect to t. We treat this as constant. So x into only f1 dash differentiation with respect to t, c is f1 double dash plus, in this we are not using product rule because we are differentiating partially with respect to t. So x f1 double dash plus f2 dash differentiation is f2 double dash. Okay. So now we have calculated all the partial derivatives. So p, q, r, s, t. So our job is to eliminate f1 and f2 arbitrary functions. So in this we just check. We consider only the second partial derivatives. We do not consider the first order partial derivatives because the partial differential equation we obtain will be of second order. So consider only the second partial derivatives. Just check. The elimination of arbitrary function is just an application of mind. Okay. So in dou square z by dou x square we have x f1 double dash plus f2 double dash. Okay. X f1 double dash plus f2 dash. So using the right hand side of this dou square z by dou t square, using the right hand side of dou square z by dou t square, that is x f1 double dash plus f2 double dash. So which is these are the terms of dou square z by dou x square. Just check first and last terms. Okay. And dou square z by dou x dou t, first term and last term. So these two terms are the terms of dou square z by dou t square. So using the right hand side of dou square z by dou t square, that means using these terms in dou square z by dou x square and dou square z by dou x dou t, we use these terms in these two derivatives. Okay. So first and last terms of dou square z by dou x square is dou square z by dou t square. In this also first term and last terms are terms of dou square z by dou t square. So therefore dou square z by dou x square can be written as this plus this is dou square z by dou t square by this plus this is dou square z by dou t square plus 2f1 dash plus 2f1 dash. Okay. That is, next in this expression this plus this is dou square z by dou t square, this plus this is dou square z by dou t square. So dou square z by dou t square plus f1 dash plus f1 dash. Okay. So therefore multiplying 4 by 2 fourth equation, that is multiplying 4th by 2 fourth equation, multiplying fourth equation by 2 and subtracting from fifth, we have this equation dou square z by dou x square minus 2 dou square z by dou x dou t is equal to minus dou square z by dou t square. Rewriting, we have this equation. So this is the partial differential equation of 1 and 1 is the solution of this. Okay. So this is 7. Okay, so 7 is the partial differential equation of 1 and 1 is the solution of 7. Okay.